Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Hello everyone, checking in on natural gas, and although we're breaking this uptrend support line, we're putting out a 23-minute video on drawing trend lines, but I personally use trend lines as more of a heads up rather than a clear signal. So right here, we've got this uptrend support line. This is a heads up that we could be seeing a bearish break, but it's the price action that I'm more concerned with. So as long as we form a higher low compared to 3169, the bulls remain in control, but we do have a lower high here of 3498 still intact. So we still have this tightening range intact. The bears are very clearly in control, closing near the low of the day and approaching this level, and we have some members with a strategy of potentially making a bullish entry around 318. And a stop loss would be if this level were to break, which would certainly limit downside risk and allow you to potentially play off that support and look for the bulls to show back up. So looking at the hourly time frame, really the daily is all I'm concerned with. The hourly time frame, we're clearly seeing lower highs and lower lows and a lot of weakness with the bears in full control, but it's that break on the daily time frame that is going to give us some clear direction. If the bulls show up tomorrow, we will likely stay within this tight channel until Thursday inventory report, and that inventory report would be the catalyst to break this tightening channel. But if we look at UNG on the daily time frame and compare the tightening channel that we see there, we can see that the key support is down at 801 and 802, and here we are at the 200-day moving average support of 805. So if we break 801, lose that support, we lose the higher low pattern currently on the daily time frame. So all in all, bears in full control, approaching a key support level, and we have the potential for the bears to just fall right through and break that support and break that pattern before we even get to the inventory report. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. If we see a break of 3169, the next support we're looking at is 311, and that's a pretty important must-hold level. If 311 breaks, we're looking down at 3065 and then $3 psychological. So bears in full control. Let's check out DGAS. It's probably had some nice upside today. DGAS needs to break 419 to break the lower high pattern. So if natural gas does break that 3169 support, we will look for DGAS to break that 419 lower high resistance. So all kinds of things to be watching, but it all revolves around the daily time frame and the natural gas tightening range that is still intact. So I would not be surprised to see the bulls show up tomorrow. And again, we can be potentially playing off this support where we would exit. If we make a bullish entry, we exit if 3169 were to break. We'll check back in tomorrow and see if we do get this bullish day. I would not be surprised to see a turnaround and a bullish candlestick on the daily time frame maintaining this pattern. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.